Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 7 update error 80072EFE. To fix Windows 7 update error, first you need to check your internet connection. You can see this Wi-Fi connection right over here. Ensure your internet connection is active and stable. You could also run Windows Update Troubleshooter, press Windows plus R at the same time. And after this, type down Control Panel over here and press OK. Also check for the system and security over here. After this, what you have to do is check the date and settings. So simply go to the settings on the search, look out for the settings, look out for the time and language over here, and also the date and time. Ensure that your computer's date and time settings are correct. And after following this, you'll be able to. And after this, if this problem still persists after you corrected your date and time, you can restart your computer. Go to the start option over here and go to the power icon and simply restart your computer. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.